common problem on 996s are the lights cracked. Now this car has how many Ks?
55,000 Ks.
55,000 kilometers, so hardly any. This side, you can see there, that is cracking there. You got a, there's a scratch here. I thought it was a crack, but no, there's a piece missing here. This whole piece is broken off. That piece is about to fall off. And down here is cracked as well, you can see. So thanks to one of the guys on Clint, awesome dude, makes these lightsabers. So I'll open them up and I'll show you what we're dealing with. So what the lightsaber is, you can get them in metal, or these ones are the plastic ones, but they're like a nylon reinforced plastic, so they're not going to break. You just take out your old screw, put this in its place, and clamp it down, and that wedges it all down and keeps your light from falling out. So pretty handy, and they're pretty cheap too. So I'll put the link in the description for these to get a set. And I think it's just a T30 Torx. We'll unscrew it and pop these on. Wow, it's only finger tight. Sorry, just. Is it easy, Tom? Very easy. Is it easy to take these screws out?
Yes, yes they are. Just fingers, that's all you need. And a couple little tongs.
So if you don't have a Torx set, get one.
You should have break the tension and you're good.
Everything on this car is Torx. Everything on most European cars is Torx. And these are a nice long one from Stanley, but anyone will do it. And we'll just get them a little bit more snug.
Pieces.
So like they were, they're only just a little bit more than hand tight anyway, so we're going to do the same. So what I can turn with this, just like what you'd turn with the screwdriver, that's all I'm going to do. I'll give a quarter turn here just to make sure. There we go. Lightsaber installed. Doing the other side was a little bit more damaged, but yeah, it's just a matter, you want to hold the light because you don't want it to fall out when you're doing this, of course.
And then you have to buy a new light.
Yeah, you don't want to buy a new light. These are not particularly cheap. Grab the other screw. Like we did on the other one, we'll just go hand tight here, and then we'll give it like a quarter turn on the with the ratchet. I'll make sure that's all the way in. Yep. Just to get it snug. And there you go. Got a 996. You want to keep the taillights from falling out? That's what you want to get. So when you shut this, there we go. Nice and solid. Can't even see that they're there. But you know they're there because your taillights aren't falling out. Perfect, that's what you want.